Okay, can you give me a couple reasons why you signed up for this class and what you like about it?
I signed up for Culinary Arts because I wanted to eat in the winter time and I get here too late. So yeah, I decided to take this class, and I like that I have friends in this class and we be having fun and stuff. It's just a fun class, a fun atmosphere.
Ka-chow, we out.
Chef Bob Kester. I'm the culinary arts teacher at Trinity Community College. We're in high school dual enrollment culinary class right now. We're making a pizza. First time this class has ever made it. Learning the sauce, and then the students that don't either help with the crust of the sauce, they'll end up putting the toppings on or learning how to cut it later on, or putting it in the oven, that kind of stuff. So everyone's going to pitch in here today. Get two of those right in the water. Yeah, totally different. Sometimes interesting. Because that's the yeast of the warm water. Now that actually you should put two of them in there, right? See, that actually makes the yeast. See that? Yeast is a living organism that produces carbon dioxide.
David, what you over here making? Brownies? You over here making brownies. Yep. What's your goal for this class? What's your goal?
Well, the goal is we try to make as many things from scratch as possible. Today's a really good example. We're making a pizza crust completely from scratch right there. And we got the flour. We're going to use real yeast. This is all your guys, students' first time dealing with yeast. And that's our goal. So we can make food, but we try to make it from scratch. Get the teaspoon. Put two
Alright, can y'all give me some reasons why y'all joined dual enrollment?
I did dual enrollment to get college credits for when I go off to college in the future. So that way I don't have to do as many classes inside the college.
Word. What he said, good job.
You better put the sugar in there, let's ice today.
You don't even need to put them on. I still can. It's just that thing's on a commission. You gotta get a pen. I think this one's pepper. That one's not done. Looks like you put a lot of pepper. Chicken parmesan.
For today. You see that, David?
Hey.
We made Alfredo again. They scraped the pot clean. Got all the different sauces. We made some garlic bread. Look at my masterpiece right here. Boom.